Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a checklist or to-do list in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Once you're inside, create a new document by clicking on the blank page option. After your new document opens, look at the toolbar at the top. Here, you'll notice an icon that looks like a checklist. It's a small square box with a checkmark symbol. Go ahead and click on that button. As soon as you do, a checkbox will appear on your page. Now you can start writing your tasks or items next to it. For example, you can type out parts of your daily routine, maybe something like morning exercise, reply to emails, or complete assignment. After adding a couple of lines, you'll see that each one automatically has its own checkbox in front of it. Let's say you write 3 tasks in total. Now you'll notice 3 checkboxes showing up, one for each line. The best part is that when you click on a checkbox, it doesn't just put a tick mark inside the box, it also automatically strikes through the text beside it. This makes it super clear that the task has been completed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might also need this tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.